Well friends, here is the problem number 35. So the given question is 4, 3, 50, colon, 26, 27, 60, double colon, 33, 32, 53 and colon question mark. So we have to find that missing number. Given options are 58, 59, 56. This is the first option. Second option is 45, 42, 57. Third option is 57, 46, 45. Fourth option is 45, 46, 57. So these are the given 4 options. So the same analogy that was used in the previous example, that was explained in the previous example, is used here. Okay, we solved problem number 33, 34 and this is 35. All the 3 problems are having the same analogy. You can go to previous video and observe or watch that video carefully. You are going to get the idea behind this analogy and you are going to get the missing number. Okay, or else after 1 minute I am going to solve this question. Try to get answer using the same analogy which is used in the previous examples 33 and 34. Okay, I will give 1 minute to solve this example. So in the previous example, yes, total numbers which are counted from this direction, and then total or the number which is found here, that many numbers were left from this direction. That was the analogy. Okay, use that analogy and find the answer for this question. Okay, I have given you 1 minute to get the answer, and there is no need of solving the complete question. You can solve part of the question and then eliminate the wrong options, finally get the correct option. So this is also an example which is based on the same analogy which was explained in the previous examples 33 and 34. We have to leave same numbers from this direction as well as from this direction, and the numbers which are present at this place that are written here and here, here and here, here and here. The same analogy can be used to solve this example. I think some of you got the answer, and the option, yes, option 4 is the right option. Okay, those who have not solved or who have not got answer for this question, I will solve this. Observe the video or watch the video carefully. So consider the given question, that is 4, 3, 50, colon 26, 27, 60. Okay, these are the given numbers. I am having here 4. Let us see where this 4 is located in the pyramid. So if you observe row number 5, you can see 4. Okay, you can see 4. And this 4 is modified as 26. You see 4 is modified as 26. How this is obtained? How this 26 is obtained? By 4. If you see the table or if you see the pyramid, 4 is located at the extreme end of 5th row and 26 is also located at the extreme end of 5th row. The two numbers are located at the extreme end. These two numbers are located at the extreme end, or you can say there are no numbers before 4 and there are no numbers after 26. You can see or you can observe in the given pyramid. Now, next number is 3. 3 is located at row number 6. Here is row number 6 and we have to get 27. So, where is 27 located? 27 is located at this place and this is at the extreme end of that row, that is row number 6. The numbers 3 and 27 are located at the extreme end of row number 6. That also can be seen as there are no numbers before 3 and there are no numbers after 27. Now moving to next number is 50. Locate this 50 in the pyramid. So 50 is at the row number 5. If you see, this is row number 5 and this 50 is located at row number 5. And how this 50 is modified? 50 is modified as 60. And see this 60, where the 60 is located. In the same row, 60 is located here. And if you observe carefully, before 50 there are two numbers were left. Total 2 numbers were left before 50. And if you observe even carefully, there are 2 numbers were left after 60. After 60 I am having 2 numbers. Those 2 numbers were left. Now using the same analogy, I can find this missing number. Let us consider another part of the question. So next part of the question is 33, 32, 53. And we have to find missing number. Okay, using this 33. Locate this 33 in the pyramid. So in the row number 3, I am having 33. And this 33 is written after leaving one number, which is 6. After leaving one number, I can find 33. So what I have to do? Yes, I have left only one number before 3. Okay, before 33. So the same can be done from this direction. I have to leave one number from this direction. Okay. Going through the third row, I have to leave one number from this direction. So I have to leave this 24. After 24, I am having 45. And 45 will be my first missing number. My first missing number will be 45. Next, moving to next number. Next number is 32. Okay, locate this 32 in the pyramid. So 32 is located at 4th row. 32 is located at 4th row. And there is one number which is left behind this 32. Only one number left behind this 32. And that should be done from the opposite direction, from this direction. Okay. In the same row, if you move, you have to leave one number and then we find 46. And 46 will be my next missing number. 46 will be my next missing number. So we got part of the answer. Now eliminate the options. First option is having 58. I should get 45 as my first missing number. So this will be wrong. Moving to second option. Second option is starting with 45 and next number should be 46. But in the second option I am having it as 42. So this is also a wrong option. Now moving to third option. Third option is starting with 57, which is wrong because it should start with 45. So we eliminated 1, 2, 3. There are total 4 options. We already eliminated first 3 options. That means this, the left option, that is fourth option, will be the right option. Or even you can cross check. First number should be 45. Yes, it is there. Next number will be 46. Yes, it is there. So that's why you can take fourth option as the right option. So we found only part of answer. We have not solved the complete question, but just we solved part of the question and we eliminated the wrong option. So finally found the correct option. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.